Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Lisa and I make all different type of lifestyle videos. As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be my at-home spa day / pamper routine. So first things first, I am self-tanning. I'm starting with this first because I'm doing it early in the day so that I let the product sit for the recommended like 4 to 8 hours. This day I went ahead and left it on for like the maximum 8 hours just to get the best results. The product I'm using is called Vita Liberata, and the reason I use this one is because it's a lot more clean and natural compared to a lot of other products, and I really like the color I got here. So like I said, I'm just gonna let that sit for the day, and while I'm waiting for the tan to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and do my nails. So I started off just by shaping them and filing them down, and then I did my toes first here, and now I'm gonna go ahead and match my fingernail color as well. So first I do a clear base coat, and then as you'll see, I go in with the color next, but I'm really not precise with how I apply it. So I don't have any secret like method to painting. I literally just slap the color on. I make sure that my nails look really nice, and I don't worry about getting paint on my skin, because after this, what I do is I actually wet my fingers under the sink and I just peel off the paint on my skin, and then voila. I feel like the nails turn out really well, and I always get so many compliments from doing it this way. Then later on in the day, once my nails and tan are completely dried and ready to go, I will run a bath. So I am just using Dr. Teal's. I think this is the eucalyptus one. So it's a foam bubble bath, and this one just smells super relaxing. And then I'm just lighting a candle to make the place feel a little bit more relaxing and like a spa. To really step up the bath game, something I recommend is, first of all, like I said, lighting a candle. Second of all is putting in a hair mask before you go in the tub. So here I'm applying my Olaplex number 3. This is like a repair, and it usually says to leave it in for at least 15 minutes, but I'm gonna do probably a little bit longer. So I just wrap my hair up, and that's ready to go for the bath. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some little eye patches. So the patches today that I'm using are called Block or Black. I'm not sure honestly, but this was the first time I've used these. I had them for a while, but this is the first time I tried them out. And oh my God, I swear I actually really loved these. So they were hyaluronic eye masks, and hyaluronic acid is super hydrating. And I swear when I took these off, my under eyes were like so plump and just soft. So I highly recommend these, and I'll link everything down below in the description box. So by the time I applied the hair and eye mask, the bathtub is ready to go. And another thing I recommend to completely change your bath game is a bathtub pillow. I don't know about you guys, but 2 things always have to happen when I take a bath. First, I always have to clean off the bathtub before I take a bath, and then after I take a bath, I have to take a real full shower, just because I think it's kind of gross like sitting in your own bathtub without showering. I don't know, maybe it's just me. But anyways, now that I'm done showering, I am gonna use this leave-in conditioner. It's called Fast Food. Like I said, I'll link everything down below. But this has just been really helpful at like keeping my hair moisturized and hydrated, and making sure it's not dry, just with like the changing weather and all of that. So normally at this time, if I need to, I will wax, but I don't do that every single week. So instead, today I'm just gonna touch up everything and just go in with tweezers. So normally I only wax my upper lip. I never wax my brows or do anything to them besides plucking. So that's just what I'm doing here. And then I'm going in with this My Magic Mud. It's a teeth whitener, and it's a charcoal teeth whitener, and that's why you'll see that my mouth looks black and crazy. But again, this is one of those natural, like more clean ingredients I found on an app called Think Dirty. And then finally, I'm just gonna finish off a at-home pedicure with my Pedi Perfect. So this is really good at just buffing out any dryness on the heels of your feet, or if you have calluses like me. I used to be like a hardcore runner, and I developed calluses from that. This is perfect at just smoothing those out. And then finally, I'm going in with a really nice soothing foot cream. And then as you'll see, I always put fuzzy socks on after just to really seal the moisture in for the night. But yeah, that basically completes my routine. As you guys see, I always love to do everything at home myself, just because not only does it save me money, save me time, it's also just a lot cleaner, and I feel like things always get done the way you want them to then, you know? But yeah, that completes my pamper routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. I would love to have you as a subscriber. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching.